blizzard of 26. A lot of snow, tree down. Had 18 inches in my driveway. And I got to give a lot of credit to the Fairways cleaning crew, snow crew. They kept this road clear throughout the storm. Although if anybody went out, they were nuts. But then again, this is Lakewood. And very quickly, after the snow stopped, they were out digging us out. Driveway was done very quickly. Well, not quickly, because there was a lot of work. I gotta say, nice job. It's been a cold February, and March is not going to do that much better. But sooner or later it will melt. Sooner or later. So far only one tree that I saw down. That's good. But again, the Fairway snow removal crew, nice work, folks. Nice work.